Oh, sure.
पहले नाम बोलो कौन सा बोलेंगे Spanish.
My name is Ravi. Questo paone muy no bonito barato no es caro, 50 rupias. Questo muy bonito. Compra este paone no mucho es caro, €1, $1. Chinese ni hao ma iga kongcho ma wusho lupi. Japanese koja kune kore no takai Korean gochu rupine kore ichi dorune. Russian ni kachu ni nuzna iskolka. $1 pisa durpli Paulin Karosho. French bonjour sir shojulim di pons la secondo pris la einiro. And Germany wunderbar zwischen pound für 9 Dankeschön take 1 Dankeschön 50 Rupiah €1. And RB Baba khadi thaus ada jen namuna ada thaus ada 50 rupees ada kabir ada talat mia 50 ada thaus ada tawit isterin and hirani 5 rupees 7 rupees ni 37 5 rupees and Israel ata khamut 5 rupees ada kubana English hello sir you want walking Indian air condition Indian price only 50 rupees you like you take your daughter mama give present
How many pounds?
Only $1, £1.
£1, still £1.
£1, 80 rupees.
Wow, it's only gone up by what's the inflation?
Two piece, £1.
2-piece, £1.
Yes.
So this is a better deal than 3 years ago.
Yes. You bought it now?
Yes, I did. I bought it.
You have now your country?
I have.
You know the why called the hanging garden?
No, tell me. You were going to tell me last time.
Okay.
You didn't finish, so
Yeah.
please continue.
The hanging garden actually is on the ground in the garden,
Yes.
inside no big tree.
Yes.
All the big tree huge one outside the garden,
Yes.
this garden. Because underneath this garden is big reservoir. Inside the garden underneath 30 million gallon the water inside the garden. 30 million gallon. And inside all ground in the big reservoir tank and inside all the small plants. No hang people actually. This underneath garden is the water, this hang on tree in the top. Because this called the hanging garden. In the British time, 1921, very long time, this garden all the open tank.
Yeah.
Because why the cover up? You know the India called the Parsi people, religion, Russian community?
Yes.
You know the Parsi?
Yes.
It's very different culture. This Parsi that dead people no bury, no burn. This open dead body in 3 big well in the backside jungle, inside 3 big well. Male, female, child. Near garden, ½ kilometer. In the backside 3 big well and open dead body, this well and sleeping. And give the eagle, vulture, kite, eagle. All the eating dead body, the vulture in British time, all the open garden in putting bound and drinking water here. It's all dirty water supply received in the building and is after cover up the British people because not so good water, not drinking water. Because cover up garden and its British name hanging garden, British people going now, his name is changed Firoz Mehta Udyan. This all get outside the name, you write and some people also telling this why call the hanging garden because no hang people is hang on tree in the top because this hanging garden and now this cover up this garden and after make the hanging garden very good garden and nice to see the gallery view and look the sunset the evening time.
Wow.
This called the hanging garden.
That's fantastic, Ravi. About the YouTube.
Which one? Internet.
Yes.
This is some people coming here.
Yeah.
I selling here.
Yeah.
I don't know this is internet man. Just take my picture. Just take the picture and showing all world. And some people coming here is telling me I look you in internet because I happy so my picture all world looking and talking. I like.
How do you feel about that?
Yes, I like look the very nice people telling me because I like very good.
Is it helping to bring you some business?
Yeah, it's good business. Sometimes people coming and every day selling I hear. I lunch here, hanging garden.
And what else do you do apart from the fans? Are you doing any school or?
No sir.
No?
I never go to school. I am selling only here every day.
The whole time?
All time.
Wow.
This my grandmother also took I selling here because I lunch here.
Yes.
Actually, when I selling, I school I know learn everything. I lunch here.
Everything you learn here?
Yes, everything.
From
English,
the tourists and the people who
talking.
Wow.
Here I go 5 years ago. I selling here.
That's incredible.
Yes.
That's a good story. You should get into the newspapers or the documentary.
No, I'm not so big. I'm only small business selling here every day.
We'll make you big.
Oh, you make big. Thank you.